Here's our stock in focus segment. I wanted to kind of demonstrate one on Wells Fargo, because it's been in the news as far as some issues as far as what it was doing with some mortgages, and there's been some talk as far as concern with that. And I think it's always important to kind of look at different issues that are, starting to get some exposure, just to show is what are the technicals showing in this kind of market environment. I think it makes sense to kind of go into the weekly on this to get a good feel of the longer term trend, and then we can go from there. The longer term trend is here's obviously you see the banking collapse there and that issue, the real estate boom and the banking crisis, and then you see this sideways action, and what you're really seeing is it's got one of these just a continuation type of pattern, or distribution. It could be either or. A lot of times these can be very, very bullish kind of, or bearish, depending on how they start to fall out, because what they do is they run sideways in them for some time here, and you could start to see once they break out of it, can be a very significant move. Now, what we're starting to see here is that we're really not seeing any major change in momentum, as it's pretty much the same throughout as you're starting to see each high. So that's not really giving us any potential sign of we're seeing some divergence. So that would be a positive thing for the bulls here. Also, that you're breaking above this 35 range and 34 range, and that's a positive also. Now, if we were to look on the short term to show some of the other end of it,